Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. We are going to practice speaking using past continuous tense. Kita akan praktek speaking menggunakan past continuous tense ya. Mengenai cara membuat kalimat past continuous, silahkan tonton video yang lainnya yang khusus membahas cara membuat kalimat past continuous. Oke, let's get started. Mari kita mulai. Right. Uh, Here there is a list of questions. Ada sederet pertanyaan, and you have to complete the questions. You have to complete this conversation. Anda harus melengkapi percakapan ini based on the questions available here. Berdasarkan pertanyaan yang tersedia di sini, ya. But let me explain each of these sentences. Biar saya jelaskan dulu masing-masing dari kalimat ini. Hi, ini sapaan biasa. How are you doing? Ini sama dengan how are you ya, apa kabar? Ini bukan what are you doing, beda ya. Ini how are you doing? How are you doing sama dengan how are you? Apa kabar? And then jawaban Anda silahkan di sini. Very well. Berarti si Bob ini menjawab balik pertanyaan Anda. Very well, sangat baik. Where were you on Sunday? Di mana kamu hari Ahad kemarin ya? Where were you on Sunday? Kamu Ahad kemarin di mana? Jadi Ahad tidak ada kemarinnya, tapi karena ini menggunakan past, berarti sudah jelas Ahadnya atau minggunya itu sudah berlalu. Where were you on Sunday? Di mana kamu hari Minggu? Jawaban Anda di sini. Kalau ini bukan past continuous ya, ini past simple, nggak ada kata kerja ing. Misalnya, I was in Clara Beach, or I was in mall, or whatever. Right, next, the next questions. The next question, were you going jogging at 6? Ya, were you going jogging at 6? Apakah kamu sedang bepergian pada jam 6? Nah, jam 6 ini yang dimaksud jam 6 hari Ahad ya. Apakah kamu sedang bepergian, apakah kamu sedang jogging jam 6 hari Ahad ini? Jawabannya yes I was atau no I wasn't. If no, jika tidak, what were you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Apa yang kamu sedang lakukan pada jam ini di hari Sunday? Silahkan jawab di sini. Misalnya, I was sleeping. Saya sedang tidur jam 6. Atau I was sweeping the floor. Atau I was washing my car. Banyak ya. Pilihan jawabannya silahkan sesuaikan. And then, was your father drinking coffee around 6? Apakah ayahmu sedang minum kopi sekitar jam 6? Silahkan dijawab yes he was atau no he wasn't. Oke. Kalau tidak, no he wasn't misalnya, tapi dia minum teh, he was drinking tea. Atau dia sedang minum pestisida, boleh saja he was drinking pesticide. Right. Write your answer here. And then at 6, was your mother doing the household chores or the housework? Pada jam 6, apakah ibumu sedang mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah? Ini pekerjaan rumah ya, housework. Pekerjaan rumah misalnya sweeping, cleaning the floor, cooking, ya, memasak, bersih-bersih lantai dan seterusnya, itu pekerjaan rumah. Silahkan jawab di sini. Was your mother doing the housework? Yes, she was, atau no, she wasn't. Kalau no, she wasn't, oh tidak, dia tidak sedang mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah. Silahkan kasih penjelasan. Sedang ngapain ibu? She was going shopping misalnya, atau she was gossiping with my father misalnya. Ibu sedang bergosip ria dengan bapak. Next, Bob, was your mother cooking at 7? Apakah ibumu sedang memasak pada jam 7? Yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. What was she cooking? Kalau dia memasak, what was she cooking? Apa yang dia sedang masak? You can say she was cooking rice, or she was cooking rendang, whatever. And then kalau tidak ya sebutkan kira-kira sedang ngapain Ibu. She was washing the clothes at 7 ya, sedang mencuci baju. Atau she was washing bulldozer misalnya, sedang mencuci bulldozer. Right, next. Was your mother going grocery shopping at 8? Apakah ibumu sedang berbelanja pada pukul 8? Jadi pada pukul 8 apakah sedang berbelanja? Grocery shopping ini bukan belanja grosir ya, tapi belanja harian untuk kebutuhan sehari-hari. Where, di mana? You can say yes, she was, atau no, she wasn't. Kalau yes, where? She was going grocery shopping in Kamis Traditional Market atau in Koga Traditional Market or in M Supermarket, whatever. Okay, let's continue. Kita lanjut. Was where is my cursor? Kursornya ini mana kok hilang? Okay, here it is. Next, was your father going to work at 9? Was your father going to work at 9? Apakah ayahmu sedang bepergian ke tempat kerja jam 9 ini? You can say yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. What was he doing? Kalau tidak, dia sedang ngapain? Atau apa yang sedang dia lakukan? You can say he was repairing his motorcycle. Dia sedang memperbaiki motor. Atau he was watering the flowers. Misalnya dia sedang menyirami bunga. Dan banyak lagi kegiatan yang lain. Oh, anyway, were you doing anything fun in the afternoon? Ngomong-ngomong, apakah kamu sedang melakukan sesuatu yang fun, ya, yang menyenangkan di sore harinya? Oh, jawaban Anda ya yes or no. Kalau yes, you can say yes, I was. I was watching a cartoon movie, misalnya. Atau I was watching a film. I was playing soccer with my friends. I was cooking rujak. Oh, rujak kok cooking ya? Memasak rujak, bukan rujak tidak dimasak. Okay, next. Were you doing any homework at 8 in the evening? Apakah kamu sedang mengerjakan PR pada jam 8 di petang hari? You can say yes, I was, atau no, I wasn't. Kalau no, I wasn't, ngapain? I was watching television, atau I was talking with my father, with my mother, or with my family. Next, next question. Was your brother playing online games in the afternoon? Apakah saudaramu sedang bermain game online, game daring pada sore hari? Oh yes, he was, atau no, he wasn't. Kalau no, he wasn't, saudaramu ngapain? You can say he was studying mathematics, or he was singing a song, or he was taking a bath. Dia sedang mandi, whatever. And then, were you having lunch at noon? Apakah kamu sedang makan siang pada at noon? At noon itu siang hari ya, tengah hari bolong jam 12 ya. Apakah kamu sedang makan siang pada jam siang? You can say yes, I was. I was eating rice and fish. Misalnya saya sedang makan nasi dan ikan. Atau no, I wasn't. Oh enggak, I was not eating lunch. I was sleeping. Saya tidak sedang makan pada pas tengah hari, tapi saya sedang tidur. Where? Ya, you can say kalau makan I was eating in the living room, atau I was eating in Delicious restaurant. Restorannya merek Delicious. atau I was sleeping in in the bedroom or in the mosque, sedang tidur di kamar tidur atau sedang tidur di masjid ya. Dan who with kalau makan ya I was eating with my family, atau kalau sendirian I was eating alone. Kalau tidur I was sleeping alone, atau I was sleeping with my little sister, with my little brother, whatever. Next, were your parents watching TV at 8? Apakah orang tuamu, ayah ibu, sedang menonton TV pada jam segini nih, jam 8? You can say yes, they were watching cartoon. Mereka sedang menonton kartun pada jam segini. Atau no, they weren't. Tidak, they weren't watching TV. Mereka tidak sedang nonton TV. But they were watching what? They were going to a supermarket. Mereka sedang pergi ke supermarket. Atau they were talking. Mereka sedang ngobrol jam segitu. What were they watching? Kalau nonton, what were they watching? Apa yang mereka tonton? You can say, Anda bisa mengatakan they were watching cartoon, they were watching comedy, they were watching action movie, or they were watching horror, whatever. Okay, so silahkan dijawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi berdasarkan situasi Anda sendiri, starting from this one, dari sini ya sampai ke sini. Okay, stop the video first and complete the exercise. Hentikan dulu videonya, kemudian kerjakan latihannya. Go. Alright, after you finish completing this dialogue or this conversation, setelah Anda melengkapi percakapan ini, now it's time for you to practice. Jadi sekarang waktunya untuk praktek. If you have a partner, jika Anda punya teman belajar, practice asking and answering the questions here. Silakan praktekkan tanya jawab pertanyaan ini. Salah satu bertanya, satunya menjawab. Nah, yang menjawab usahakan tidak membaca catatan. Just listen to the questions, dengarkan saja pertanyaannya, and then answer them. Jadi jawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan itu secara lisan. Usahakan ngomongnya lancar. Okay? But if you don't have a partner, tapi jika tidak punya teman belajar, you just need to read this conversation. Hanya perlu baca saja percakapan ini loudly, dengan suara lantang, dengan suara keras, untuk melatih mulut mengucapkan kalimat-kalimat bahasa Inggris. Jadi baca sendiri pertanyaannya, jawab sendiri, dan kalau perlu diulangi supaya mulutnya lancar, pronunciation-nya jadi lebih bagus. Okay? Go, silahkan dipraktekkan. Well, I guess that's all for the lesson, for this speaking practice. I'll see you sometime in the future. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.